Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will discuss uh, teaching aptitude question of CTET June 2011 paper 1. This shall be helpful in STET examination. Only 30 question. Let's take a look. Development is never ending process. This idea is associated with principle of continuity. Four distinct stages of children's intellectual development are identified by Jean Piaget. Parents should play a dash role in the learning process of young children. Parents should play a proactive role in the learning process of young children. The insight theory of learning is promoted by Gestalt theorists. Motivation is the process of learning. Create interest for learning among young children. Which of the following is not a sign of an intelligent young child? A. One who carries on thinking in an abstract manner. One who can adjust oneself in a new environment. One who has the ability to cram long essays very quickly. And one who has the ability to communicate fluently and appropriately. The answer is one who has the ability to cram long essays very quickly. This is not a sign of an intelligent young child. Which is the place where the child cognitive development is defined in the best way? It's school and classroom environment. The stage in which a child begins to think logically about objects and events is known as, it's a concrete operational stage, means 7 to 11 years. Which of the following is not related to the socio-psychological needs of the child? It is regular elimination of waste products from the body. Which of the following will foster creativity among learners? It is providing opportunities to question and to nurture the innate talents in every learner. Mind mapping refers to researching the functioning of the mind. A young child responds to a new situation on the basis of the response made by him or her in a similar situation as in the past. This is related to law of analogy of learning. The best way, especially at primary level, to address the learning difficulties of a student is to use a variety of teaching methods suited to the disability. Education of children with special needs should be provided along with other normal children. Dyslexia is associated with this reading disorder. Dash is not a sign of being gifted, means fighting with others. A student of class 5 grade with visual deficiency should be treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio CD. Which of the following statements cannot be considered as a feature of the process of learning? It is educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. Learning can be enriched if situations from the real world are brought into the class in which students interact with each other and the teacher's facilities. To make assessment a useful and interesting process, one should be careful about using a variety of ways to collecting information about the students' learning across the scholastic and co-scholastic boundaries. As a teacher, because of his or her democratic nature, allows his students to sit all over the class. Some sit together and discuss or do group reading. Some sit quietly and read themselves. A parent does not like it. Which of the following way be the best way to handle the situation? Parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. This should parents do. Which of the following should be considered the most important quality of a teacher at primary level? It is patience and perseverance. Dash is considered as a sign of motivated teaching. It's a questioning by students. जितना क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे उतना अच्छा है. At lower classes, play-where method of teaching is based on psychological principle of development. The term curriculum is in the field of education refers to overall program of the school with students' experiences on a daily basis. According to Piaget, at which of the following stage does a child begin to think logically about abstract propositions? It's a former operational stage, means 11 year and above. A teacher should make an attempt to understand the potentialities of his or her students. Which of the following field is related to these objectives? It is educational psychology. Kritika, who does not talk much at home but talks a lot at school, it shows that her school not get acknowledged at school. Children actively construct their understanding of the world is a statement attributed to Piaget. In which of the following stages do children become active members of their peer group? It's adolescence. This was a 30 question. Hope you like it, and it will be very important for STAT examination. For child and development section means teaching aptitude. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.